Hey everyone, my name is Nazarii and today we'll be presenting you the results of our article Selection of Large Language Model for Development of Interactive Chatbots for SaaS Solutions. So let's start with a little introduction, why we have developed this article and what we are trying to address. First of all, software as a service business model emerged in last decades and dominates the global landscape. We can see applications like Netflix, Amazon and others really dominate the market and is gaining significant popularity in the market due to its agile approaches and capabilities to deliver the value to the end customers in really short time, as well as being efficient in terms of economics, because you share the infrastructure across all the customers. That makes your business model really efficient. Moreover, Mac aliens gain significant popularity, right, which relies on composable SaaS solutions. So that also highlights again that SaaS business model is expanding. Apart from that, within the SaaS business framework, chatbots play a crucial role in enhancing customer engagement, providing real-time support. As business grows, there is a need to support your customers in real time, and chatbots can be a great help to it, as well as chatbots can be used to build other features that can boost the customer satisfaction while people are working with your business. Apart from that, emerging technologies like large language models can be a great choice for chatbot development. That really opens a new perspective on how a chatbot can be built. So we have done an analysis of related works, and what we have discovered is that at least half of Fortune 5,000 companies experimented with chatbots. Apart from that, literature review underlines different weaknesses of chatbots agent in comparison with humans, such as limited understanding and knowledge, limited empathy and emotion. So that this highlights again that LLMs, which are more powerful than traditional chatbots, can be a great choice for developing a chatbot. There is some challenges in evaluating natural chatbot and natural language generation, right? Apart from that, a really interesting highlights that researchers highlighting challenges that chatbot applications are tightly coupled to their intent recognition providers, hampering their maintainability and reusability and evolution. So it's really crucial to build a reusable an architecture that enables businesses to interchangeably use different LLMs. The goal of our articles, right? The researchers of related work proves that chatbots play a crucial role in modern businesses, and development of one requires tremendous effort and knowledge to produce a bot that fulfills the business goals and customer desires. None of the works explored the usage of modern LLMs like ChatGPT to build chatbots for SaaS applications so far. Therefore, the goal of this article is to build an architecture of a chatbot that can use different LLMs interchangeably and to select the best LLM for use in chatbot development. So what are the methods and materials that we picked? First of all, for chatbot interface, we have selected Telegram because it provides a really rich capabilities to develop chatbots, and moreover, according to latest researches, 47% of Ukrainians prefer to use Telegram to read news. That again highlights the popularity of the platform. As a chatbot server technology, we have picked Node.js, since Node.js provides great performance. It provides performant HTTP servers, and especially taking into consideration the chatbots needs to process real-time requests. It's really crucial to pick a scalable technology. As a framework to interact with LLMs, we have picked LangChain. LangChain is a framework designed to facilitate development of applications that leverage LLM models like ChatGPT. Using LangChain for chatbot development can offer several advantages, particularly for projects aiming to integrate advanced NLP capabilities. The biggest benefit of LangChain is that it creates needed abstraction layers so you can reuse different LLMs. So what experiment we have done? First of all, we have developed an architecture of a chatbot. So this diagram captures the full flow of interaction between the user and the chatbot. The crucial piece here is really the LangChain Python server and LLMs, because this piece delivers us the capability to use different LLMs interchangeably. That's empowers the businesses to really experiment and select the right LLM without changing the rest of the architecture. And here you can see an example of a response from our chatbot in Telegram. This one is a response from ChatGPT. How we will be selecting the best LLM? So we will be using two key sort of approaches. The first one will be focusing on evaluating their different prompts, how chatbots respond to different prompts. The second part is focusing on the key metrics for LLM. So we will be comparing different metrics, how they different LLMs perform under different conditions, what are the response times, and what's about cost efficiency. Which LLMs we will compare? Unfortunately, we have limited resources, so we have picked just three ones: ChatGPT, Llama, and Cohere Command, which I also considered using Google's LLM, but unfortunately they are not available in Ukraine, so we had to skip it. Let's now discuss results and our results and discussions, right? So first of all, on the technology foundation, we did some investigation in the LLMs, what they built with. So in an essence, a ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI, right? OpenAI is essentially the biggest, I would say, company that invests in AI capabilities, and they are really setting up the market trends. The Llama is part of Meta's Llama. Essentially, it's a product built inside Llama, inside Meta company. And Cohere Command is similar to those developed by OpenAI, but essentially their focus is easy of integration for developers and businesses. And they're also focusing on like ethical AI usage. If we talk about capabilities, ChatGPT is essentially like a wider variety of use cases. It's really versatile. Llama can handle a broad spectrum of tasks, right? While Cohere is ideal for a natural language understanding and includes like content generation, summarization. If we talk about prompt results comparison, we can summarize this that in general all LLMs were able to provide the results, but Cohere LLM tends to provide really big, sophisticated responses, even if you explicitly tell it to provide a short summary. So it's really crucial for LLM to be able to respond in following the restrictions, but Cohere really fails on this. Llama gives most emotional answers. Maybe this could be affected by high temperature parameters that the model has, but unfortunately we can't control Llama temperature parameter via API we used. And in general, ChatGPT provides most appropriate answers, short where needed, and detail in case you ask for complex and technical questions. And all LLMs have non-biased or neutral responses that indicate that training data was a good quality. Now, a few key metrics. If you take a look at average response times and cost per 100 tokens in the output, you can see that in general ChatGPT outperforms each LLM here. It's worth to mention that in general Cohere gives really big responses, so this could be the reason why it has biggest response time, but at the same token ChatGPT provides the best like quality to cost ratio. So conclusions. In this article, we tried to deal with the problem of selecting appropriate LLM for SaaS chatbot development. So due to limited resources, only three LLMs were explained in detail. To address the challenges of chatbot development, we developed a multi-layer architecture that enables the businesses to scale chatbots through throughput as the business grows. And what's more important, to replace LLMs if needed without effect on the rest of the applications. Out of all, the ChatGPT seems to be the best choice in given circumstances, as it gives the most relevant answers with lightning speed while charging reasonable price per 1K of tokens. We also need to bear in mind that OpenAI is an industry-leading company that provides the most innovations. So by onboarding into their toolset, the businesses make strategic decisions that will benefit them in the long run. Future plans. So far, the work is limited to the usage of pre-trained LLMs, what is a great starting point for any LLM integration, but to build a truly unique customer experience for your SaaS application customers, we need to ensure that the chatbot has all the relevant information and fine-tuned according to your needs. So this topic will be explored in future works. That's all. Thanks for your attention.